Alright, on this particular exercise we are going to first of all find the amplitude. Remember, the amplitude is the absolute value of A. So whatever the first number is here, it's going to be the absolute value of that. The absolute value of -5 is 5, so we would say amplitude is 5. This one, first number is 3, so we would say the amplitude is equal to 3. First number is -4. We say amplitude is equal to -4. No, we don't. It's positive because it has to be the absolute value. So it's never going to be negative, so you need to say +4. No number in front. You have to assume that there is a 1 there, so the amplitude would be 1. The next part here, they ask us to find the period. Remember that period is equal to 2 pi over b. 2 pi over b, and b is the number in front of the x. b is the number in front of the x. So in this first case, -4 sine of 1/3 x, it'll be 2 pi divided by 1/3, because this is your b in this one. So 2 pi divided by 1/3. You just go dividing fractions, easy as pie, flip the bottom, and multiply. So I took 1/3 and I flipped it upside down. Then you just multiply. 2 pi times 3 is 6 pi. 1 times 1 is 1. So the answer is just 6 pi. Next problem here we have, it will be 2 pi over 2. The period is, so here would be the answer. This period was 6 pi. Next one, the period for this one would be 2 pi over 2, because b is 2. 2 pi over 2. The 2's cancel, so the period is just pi. Next one, the number here is just 1. It's an assumed 1 there, so it would, I guess, be 2 pi over 1, which is just 2 pi, which is also the fundamental period. Of y equals the sine of x, the fundamental period is 2 pi. So if there's no number in front of the x, it's always 2 pi. Alright, this one here, the b is 4, so you'd say the period is equal to 2 pi divided by 4, which this would reduce just to be pi over 2. So we would say it has a period of pi over 2.